I just wanted to quickly share this tool I built. It's called a chainsaw stump vise. Normally this is something you can buy, but I couldn't find one in the store, so I decided to try to make one. It's basically a field vise to hold your chainsaw in place while you sharpen it. I simply took a 1-inch C-clamp, drilled 2 holes in it, then I found a piece of 1/4-inch thick steel and shaped it with a cut-off wheel and grinder. I sharpened the 2 points and bolted the 2 pieces together. You definitely want to make sure that it's hammered deep into solid wood so it doesn't come loose. This took me about a half hour to make. It's very simple. So I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.